Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at how to use the Motion app for project management in 2025 to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Let's dive in. Setting up Motion. Download the Motion app from the official website or app store. Sign up or log in to access the dashboard. Set your workspace preferences, including notifications and integrations. 2. Creating and managing tasks. Click New Task to add assignments, set deadlines, and add descriptions. Use tags and priorities to organize your tasks efficiently. Enable recurring tasks for repeated work. 3. Automating your schedule. Motion uses AI to auto-schedule tasks based on your availability. Adjust priorities and deadlines to let Motion optimize your daily workflow. Sync with Google Calendar or Outlook for seamless integration. 4. Collaborating with your team. Create and manage shared projects with team members. Assign specific tasks and track progress in real time. Use the built-in chat and comments for better communication. 5. Tracking progress and insights. Monitor task completion rates and productivity trends. Generate reports to analyze performance over time. Adjust schedules and priorities based on Motion's smart suggestions. That's it. With Motion, you can stay organized, automate your workflow, and manage projects effortlessly. Try it out and let us know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips.